What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. So today we're going to be working on putting on some door sill covers on the Ford Bronco. So the first thing I did was got a little bit of soapy water, a drop of soap for the whole container, so not a lot, and then sprayed, and then kind of just wiped it off, got it nice and clean, took the other side of the rag, and wiped it down to get any remaining stuff. So that's the first step I did. And then here's the door sill protectors that I bought. Not really what I was looking for, but I'm kind of just looking for something to protect the paint. Because again, with this cyber orange paint, as you can see, it's a really nice paint and I just don't want to jack it up. So that being said, I went with these. And these were pretty cheap. They were like $16, if that. They make some really nice ones that go like the whole way across, but they're pretty thick, and I just don't know. I read some reviews saying like when you try to close the door, it wasn't, the door wasn't sealing right because of the, the covers and stuff. And like I said, I really wanted some nice covers. I got some really nice ones in the Jeep, and they work pretty good. I was worried about the same thing, but that didn't happen. So with these, I don't know if it was user error or if it was actually the door sill covers, but they're really nice. They were like $40, $30, really nice plastic ones that say like 1966 and stuff, and have little mountains on them on Amazon. So if you want some heavy duty ones, you can look at those. But for the quick, easy route of like 15 bucks, 11 bucks, here's these. So these are pretty nice. The only thing that I'd have to complain about so far is all the fold creases in them, because they came packaged like this in here, and here's a little tool to put it on. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot, kind of line these up, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll be back in 1 second. All right, here we are with the door sill cover on. So as you can see, I try to line it up as far over this. Try to make both sides pretty even. A little overhang on both sides. It's a little bit bigger than the plastic piece that you have going across. So I did my best to try to line it up, try to put it down evenly across. Sorry about the lighting, it's horrible. It's so dark in my garage. I need to get some better lighting. So I try to go even all the way across. As you can see, trying to keep a straight line. Didn't do too bad. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So how I applied this. I started by peeling up one end. So I just peeled up this end about like 2 inches. So I went right about to the white line-ish, 2 to 3 inches, and kind of just placed it. And so again, when you have 2 hands, it's a lot easier. Placed it down where I wanted it, got it stuck. And then I kept peeling it back little by little. I was just pulling it and laying it down, pulling it and laying it down. So as you can see, this one still has a lot of creases in it. This one is pretty flush. Can't really see any creases. I mean, I guess you can see that one a little bit, but other than that, you can't really see any of the crease lines. So, try to see if I can get that one out a little bit. Probably can't really. Yeah, it's creased a little too hard. So what I actually did was I took my heat gun and I heated it up at a pretty far distance on low. So I came over to my heat gun, kept it, about a foot away, and kind of just was heating it up, going around, and then pushing it down as I was heating it a little bit. So as I was heating it, I would kind of try to smooth it out a little bit, get rid of the creases. And it was working pretty well, as you can see, versus the other ones. So very, very, very little heat. As you can see, that one's a little bit more flat than these ones, but very little heat at far distance, and you should be good. Yeah, so this is pretty nice. I think it's pretty cool. Again, mostly just to protect the paint. So I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. The Bronco's been getting a lot of accessories. You got the center console cover. I put on a protector for your radio. carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber door pockets. I actually made these myself. It is just skinned, but yeah, I did it myself. But yeah, so it's been getting on a lot of accessories, and I think this will be a good little add-on to make sure that I can help protect the paint, just so it doesn't get scratched up going in and out of the car a lot. Because, you know, when you're getting out, sometimes people step on right there and you're not supposed to. So again, that'll help just protect the paint and make sure it doesn't get all jacked up. So yeah, thank you for watching 303 Streets. Hopefully you find this video helpful, especially on kind of how to install these. Super simple, super easy, really can't mess it up that much. But yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them at the bottom. And thank you for watching 303 Streets. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.